Hello, you are welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to cover how to read and display images and videos with OpenCV. Let's get started. At first, let's import CV2 as CV. Then write img equals cv.imread with the location of your image. This will read the image. Then write cv.imshow, give that a name, and beside the comma write img. This will show the image. Let's write cv.wakeKey0. This will help to close the image by clicking on the cross button. That's all about reading and displaying image. Now write capture equals cv.videoCapture. And inside this, there will be the video location. Then write while true, and inside this write is true. Frame equals capture.read. Then in the next line write cv.imshow and inside this give it a name. And beside the comma write frame. This will help to show the image frame by frame. In the next line write if cv.wakeKey is 20 in this condition. Then break. Let's get out of the while loop and write capture.release. Then write cv.destroy all windows. What this basically do is to break the video loop and close the video by pressing the D button. You can change it. That's all about reading and displaying images and videos with OpenCV. See you soon. Goodbye.